Hello everyone, today I will show you how to follow someone on Spotify. And here's how it is done. To follow someone on Spotify, start by opening the Spotify app on your mobile device or desktop. Once you're on the home screen, look for the search icon at the bottom of the screen on mobile or at the top left corner on desktop. Tap or click on it to proceed. In the search bar, type the name of the person you want to follow. If they have a public profile, their name should appear in the search results. Scroll through the search results and tap on the correct profile. If you are unsure whether it is the right person, you can check their public playlist and other details before following them. Once you are on their profile page, you will see a follow button. Tap or click on it to start following them. This will allow you to see their public playlist and any listening activity they choose to share. And that's everything you need to know about how to follow someone on Spotify. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.